Presenting a pre-owned 2013 GMC Sierra 1500. This two-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 4.8-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 92,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, stability control, and traction control.